Hello guys, ito aking pipino tanim. Okay, so
I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone.
guys, ay iniisa-isa ko bawat talbos ng aking tanim na pipino, baka may sira. At ayan nga, may nakita kong may sira dyan, kaya tinignan ko. Kahapon nga ay nag-spray ako ng pang-insekto, pero ay pagkatanghali umulan naman.
Turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you. Through the
Yan guys, oh, kung mapapansin nyo, tapos may ano sa baba, ibig sabihin may uod yan, kinakain yung dahon. Yan, oh. Tanggalin natin yan, tsaka patayin o tibisin ano, dahon ng pipino. Ito guys, oh, may sakit siya, hindi na lumaki, saka nahinilaw yung dahon. Pag mga ganito guys, ano, binubunot ko na yan. Bunutin natin para hindi na kumain. Sakit pa kasi guys.
It's better every day. You've kissed my tears.